Good morning, students. I welcome you all. Myself Baby Rawat, your English teacher. I hope you all are fine and safe along with your family members. Today I'll continue the chapter Nelson Mandela. In previous tutorial, I told you about Nelson Mandela, who was the first black president of South Africa. And I told you about apartheid system also. And what is apartheid system? Discrimination on the basis of race. So this chapter is written about the day when Nelson Mandela was about to take oath as president of South Africa. So let's begin. A few moments later, we all lifted our eyes in awe as a spectacular array of South African jets, helicopters, and troop carriers rode in perfect formation over the Union buildings. Awe means surprise. Array means an impressive display in colorful or attractive. So now what Nelson Mandela says that a few moments later there was an impressive display of South African jets, helicopters and troop carriers which rode in perfect formation over the Union buildings. It was not only a display of pinpoint precision means accuracy, and military force, but a demonstration of the military's loyalty to democracy, to a new government that had been freely and fairly elected. Now he says that it was not only a display, a mere display, but actually it was a demonstration of military's loyalty towards new government that had been elected now. Only moments before, the highest generals of the South African Defence Force and police, their chests bedecked with ribbons and medals from days gone by, saluted me and pledged their loyalty. Now see, students, difference here. What Nelson Mandela is saying, that few years back, those officials, those police officers who were ready to arrest Nelson Mandela, now, today, they all were saluting Nelson Mandela. I was not unmindful of the fact that not so many years before they would not have saluted but arrested me. Finally, a chevron. Chevron means a pattern in the shape of V. Of Impala, I is capital, so it's a name. Jets left a smoke trail of the black, red, green, blue and gold of the new South African flag. So now students, all these colors, black, red, green, blue, these colors are there in the flag of South Africa. So what he is saying, that jets, all the planes, they were throwing smoke of all these colors which were there in the flag of South Africa. So now in this paragraph he says that the highest generals of the South African Defence Force and police saluted Nelson Mandela and pledged their loyalty. And Nelson Mandela felt that so many years before they would not have saluted him but arrested him. And why? What is the reason? Because Nelson Mandela was fighting against apartheid system. So at last, finally, a chevron of Impala jets. Impala is name of jets. Left a smoke trail of black, red, green, blue and gold of the new South African flag. So these colors are mentioned here. The day was symbolized for me by the playing of our two national anthems and the vision of white singing Kosi Siklel, E Africa and black singing Die Stem, the old anthem of Republic. So now two anthems were sung. One was the old anthem and one new anthem. So two anthems were sung. Although that day neither group knew the lyrics of the anthem they once despised. Despised means had a very low opinion or dislike, also you can say. They would soon know the words by heart. Now here in this paragraph, he says that on that day, on the day of inauguration, uh, two national anthems were sung instead of one. Two national anthems were sung, and it is mentioned here. Both the anthems were mentioned here. First one is, which was their old national anthem, and this one new. Kosi Silke E Africa, new national anthem also. It was sung there. On the day of the inauguration, I was overwhelmed with a sense of history in the first decade of the 20th century, a few years after the bitter Anglo-Boer War and before my own birth. The white-skinned peoples of South of Africa patched up their differences and erected a system of racial domination against the dark-skinned peoples of their own land. So this is a big sentence. This sentence ends here, big sentence. Now, what is Anglo-Boer War? This is your homework today. This is your homework today. You will read about this Anglo-Boer War. I'll give you a brief. I'll tell you something about this. This war was in the first decade of, it is mentioned here, 20th century. So what is first decade of 20th century? It is 1900 to 1910. And this war, it is English-African War. Anglo-Boer War is English-African War, which was there in the first decade of 20th century, means 1900 to 1910, before birth of Nelson Mandela. So he is saying that after this war, apartheid system started in South Africa, and white people, they started dominating black people, dark skinned people, right? It is mentioned here, dominating white people started dominating dark skinned peoples of their own land. Means white people were also from the same land, black people were also from same land, but black people were not given opportunities after that war. The structure they created formed the basis of one of the harshest, most inhuman societies the world has ever known. Now, in the last decade of the 20th century and my own 8th decade as a man, that system had been overturned forever. Now he says, now what is last decade of 20th century? It is 1990 to 2000, right? And if he's saying 8th decade as a man, it is he is telling about himself, means 80s. So here Nelson Mandela is in his 80s. He is saying this. So he on the day of inauguration, that day, Nelson Mandela recalled that in the first decade of the 20th century, the white-skinned people of South Africa erected a system of racial discrimination against the dark-skinned people of their own land. And the structure they created now, in the last decade of the 20th century, that system had been overturned forever. Overturned forever and replaced by one that recognized the rights and freedom of all peoples, regardless of the color of their skin. So now he is happy. He says that that system, discrimination, it is overturned, and now all the skin color, all the people of all skin color, they have same rights. That day had come about through the unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of my people whose suffering and courage can never be counted or repaid. I felt that day, as I have on so many other days, that I was simply the sum of all those African patriots. Patriots means, I hope all you know, who loves his country, who had gone before me. That long and noble line ended and now began again with me. I was pained. It means he was feeling something bad, that I was not able to thank them and that they were not able to see what their sacrifices had wrought. So what is meaning of wrought? Done, or achievement, what they have got. So now he says that day, which day? Today, when he was going to take oath as a black president, first black president of South Africa. So now he says that day was the outcome, result of unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of South African people. Here you can relate it to our Indian freedom fighters also, that how many of our freedom fighters, they sacrificed their lives for freedom of India. In the same way, he is saying that many African people, they sacrificed their life for this day, and this day is the result of sacrifices done by all those people. Nelson Mandela felt that that day he was simply the sum of all those South African patriots who had gone before him. Thus, their sufferings and courage could never be counted or repaid. What they have done, all those patriotic people who sacrificed many things, not only lives, many things, their families and all their dreams. So now he is saying that we cannot repay, or they cannot be counted. What they have done, nobody can pay. Now it's time for homework, students. So I'll give you two homework. Number 1, about this Anglo-Boer War. Please read about, explore about this Anglo-Boer War, and on page number 21 in your book, questions are given. So 3 questions. You have to do first 3 questions, because we have not done content where you can get answers of these question number 4 and 5. So first 3 questions answer you will get whatever content we have done. So with this, I wish you good health, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.